You may have heard of GLP-1, short for glucagon-like peptide 1. GLP-1 is a natural hormone your body produces. But what exactly does it do? As you eat, your body naturally releases the hormone GLP-1. As GLP-1 is released, it tells your pancreas to produce insulin, helping to lower your blood sugar and slow down the emptying of your stomach, which signals to your brain that you're full, reducing your appetite and your cravings. In short, this powerful gut hormone helps to maintain a healthy weight. However, GLP-1 production tends to decrease as you age. This contributes to changes in metabolism and appetite regulation, which can lead to weight gain and the added risk of metabolic health issues. But now, you can increase your GLP-1 production naturally with a new probiotic blend from Pendulum. GLP-1 Probiotic is formulated with probiotic strains scientifically shown in lab studies to trigger the gut cells to produce GLP-1. This is no ordinary probiotic. This is GLP-1 Probiotic.